At some point in your life, you have probably taken medication, otherwise known as a drug product. This medicine could be a tablet for a headache or a stronger prescribed medicine to treat a more serious condition, such as an infection. The pharmaceutical industry is a global industry that develops, manufactures, and markets pharmaceutical ingredients and finished products to treat medical conditions, diseases, and illnesses. Drug products come in many different forms, called dosage forms. You will be familiar with many of these, including tablets, capsules, creams, liquids, injectables, inhalers, aerosols, powders, and transdermal patches. This module will provide you with an overview of the pharmaceutical industry, from the types of products manufactured to how these products are researched, developed, and approved for the market. You will also learn about the different functions within a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility and the activities typically performed there. From API to customer. Pharmaceutical manufacturing involves two major stages. Primary manufacturing, or processing, is the production of the API by an API manufacturer. In secondary processing, finished dose manufacturers take the API and combine it with other ingredients that give the drug product its physical characteristics. These ingredients are called excipients. Excipients are non-active ingredients in a drug product, for example, water or sugar in a cough mixture. After secondary processing, the drug is now in a form that can be taken by a patient or consumer, for example, a tablet. This is also known as the dosage form. Finished dose products are made available to patients and customers through pharmacies, drugstores, hospitals, physicians, and so on. Production. Production involves the processing, packaging, and labeling of APIs and finished dose drug products. There are three basic components needed to make a product: raw materials, equipment, and a process. API production involves manufacture of active pharmaceutical ingredients from raw materials. API manufacturing equipment includes chemical reactors, bioreactors, and separation and purification systems. API manufacturing processes can be chemical, biological, or can involve extracting the API from a natural source, such as a plant. As we've seen, finished dose production involves taking APIs and excipients and processing them into finished pharmaceutical products. Finished dose manufacturing equipment includes mixing vessels, granulators, tablet presses, and capsule fillers. Finished dose manufacturing processes are physical, for example, mixing and compressing.